Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the issue input is not supported or a monitor issue in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with opening first our settings. So to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the settings option, or you can just make a tap in the Windows icon and then you can now directly see the settings icon there. So please make a click on that and then you will get this settings window. All you need to do is just to go to the left pane and there find for the system option. So this one, make a click on that once found and then go with the display, monitors, brightness, night light, and display profile. Now once you click on that, you will be brought to this display section here under settings. So we have the brightness and color section, the scale layout section, and the related settings. So all you need to do is just to go to this scale and layout section first. So please go with the scale. Please make sure that your chosen option here is the recommended one. So if it's not, then just make a click here in the drop down button and then go click on the recommended option there. And then once you have done that, proceed with the display resolution. You can adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. So if your monitor doesn't work with this recommended option, then you can now look for the option that is working for your monitor or that helps your monitor to work, and so that you can now, or you can't you don't receive the same error again, the input is not supported error again. So just go over with these options and try each one of these and then see whichever option in this display resolution works for you. And then you can also proceed with the multiple displays. So once you click on this one, you will expand this option here. So all you need to do is just to check these options here and then go click on the detect option here in the detect other display. And once you click on this detect option, you will get an option there to select the monitor that you have just connected. And then you can also proceed with the advanced display information and the refresh rate. So once you click on this one, you will get this kind of window. All you need to do is just to select a display to view or change this setting. So if you have connected another monitor, all you need to do is just to select this drop down button here and then you will be shown with all the monitors that you have. All you need to do is just to select it and then you can now change the display information for that monitor. So here all you need to do is just to click on this choose a refresh rate. So a higher rate gives smoother motion but also uses more power. So all you need to do is just to select a refresh rate by selecting or clicking on this drop down button and then select the refresh rate that suits for your monitor or for your device. Once you have done that, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. And if it helps fixing the problem, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.